Hey guys, I'm Hazel. Need some last minute gifts to check everyone off your list? These are great ideas for the little ones in your life. Amazing for little explorers, this experiment kit is perfect for getting up close and personal with things on your outdoor adventures. With 25 experiments and over 20 accessories, it's perfect for keeping them challenged for hours on end. And it's a pretty cool skill to have too. It doesn't get any cuter than this. Fingerlings are amazing little pets that cling to your finger, and you can take them with you everywhere you go. They're interactive and will respond to sounds, movements and touch. Just wait until you see them blowing you a kiss. This set from Play-Doh is ideal for building creative and discovery skills. With stampers, patterned rollers, textured cutters, 6 tubs of Play-Doh, it's perfect for learning and of course, hours of fun. And that's my top 3. Click up here to have a browse on our site or click down below to find one that suits you. Hope they love it. Wrap up Christmas for less with XS this year. Enjoy and thanks for watching.